No chopping marathons, no slow saute, just dump, pressure cook and devour a protein-packed black chickpea curry. Perfect for busy singles, students or anyone who thinks they can't cook. Ready? Let's start. You'll need 2 cups of soaked black chickpeas, some spices, onion, garlic and chopped tomatoes. In a pressure cooker, take 2 cups of overnight soaked kala chana or black chickpea. To that add chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, bay leaf, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Dump them all in the pressure cooker while the heat is still not on. 2 tablespoons of raw mustard seeds or any oil. If you are using Instapot, you can use Instapot and set it to chili bean. Mix everything. Add 1 cup of water. After everything is mixed, close the lid and now turn on the heat. It's very important not to turn on the heat before everything is mixed. Let it whistle for 3 to 4 whistles and turn off the heat. Once the pressure cooker has released the steam on its own, open the lid, give everything a good stir. Take out the bay leaves and discard. They have given out the flavors already. Mash a fistful of chickpea against the wall of the pot or between your fingers. That natural starch turns watery broth into velvety gravy. No cornstarch, no cream, just the healthy stuff from the black chickpeas. Take a boiled potato, peel it and chop them into small cubes. Heat up a pan, add a tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir them properly. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon salt, 5 or 6 crushes of black pepper, about an inch of julienned ginger. Stir everything together. To that, add the chopped potatoes. If you want to skip potatoes, it's totally fine. Saute the potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn golden brown. This is basically the tadka for our black chickpea curry. Pour the tadka and the potato cubes in the chickpea curry. Mix everything all together one last time. Put the lid back on. If you are using the Instapot, just set it on saute for 10 minutes. If you are using pressure cooker, then let it whistle for one last time just to marry the masala. Spoon that thick, earthy black chickpea curry into a bowl. Garnish with chopped cilantro and green chilies if you like spicy. This black chickpea curry is a very versatile dish. You can serve it with puri, naan or even plain chapati. In a plate, spoon for yourself that thick, earthy black chickpea curry. Enjoy with puri or naan or chapati. If you are feeling rustic, enjoy with chopped onions, lime wedges. Some meals ask for so little but give so much. Just a handful of spices, a pot of chickpeas, and suddenly it feels like home. Cook it with love and share it with someone you care about. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.